Hello, little learners. I am your Professor Toadstool, and today we're going to learn something really exciting. Addition. Do you know what addition means? It's when we put things together to get more. Just like when you have one toy and your friend gives you another. Now you have more toys to play with. Let's see how this works with numbers. First, let's look at some apples. Here, I have one apple. Now, I bring another apple. Let's count together. 1, 2. That means 1 plus 1 equals 2. We added one apple to another, and now we have 2. See how easy that was? Now, let's try with balloons. Look, I have 2 balloons. But here comes another one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That means 2 plus 1 equals 3. When we add, we always count forward to find the answer. Now, let me show you 2 very important math friends. The first one is Mr. Plus. He helps us add numbers together. Whenever we see this sign, it means we're putting things together. And then we have Mr. Equals Equals. He tells us the answer. So when we write 2 plus 1 equals 3, it means we had 2. We added 1, and now we have 3. Let's try another example. What if we have 3 oranges, and we get 2 more? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 3 plus 2 equals 5. We added 2 more oranges, and now we have 5. Great job. Now, let's practice together. Imagine we have 4 kittens. A new kitten joins them. How many do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Addition is just counting how many things we have when we put them together. Let's try another one. There are 5 birds on a tree. 2 more birds come and sit on the branch. How many are there now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 5 plus 2 equals 7. We added 2 more birds, and now we have 7. Addition is everywhere. We use it when we count our toys, our candies, or even when we share snacks with our friends. Let's do a quick game. I'll say a number, and you think of how many more we need to make 10. If we have 6, how many do we add to make 10? Yes, 4. Factorial. Because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now, let's review what we learned today. Addition means putting numbers together to make a bigger number. The plus sign tells us to add. And the equals sign equals shows us the answer. And when we add, we just count forward. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing with your toys, your fruits, and even your fingers. The more you practice, the better you'll get at addition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.